How to get protein in a raw food diet. Meats and dairy products are the most common food sources of protein. However, they don't do you much good if you are switching to a raw food diet. Fortunately, the number of raw food sources of protein may surprise you, and getting enough in your new diet is a snap. Instructions. The first way, sprout beans and seeds, possibly the best way to get a rich source of protein on a raw food diet. Lentil, garbanzo, black beans, mung beans, sunflower seeds are easy to sprout and add to just about any raw food recipes. The second way, eat plenty of green, leafy vegetables such as chard, broccoli, romaine lettuce and spinach, as well as oil-rich fruits such as coconut and avocado. The third way, add nuts to your meals as a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats. Use nuts to make cheese alternatives, desserts, sprinkle on salads or eat as is for a healthy snack. The fourth way, prepare your foods with nutritional yeast, a delicious powder with a cheesy flavor that is full of protein, B vitamins and amino acids. Add nutritional yeast to salad dressings, stir into raw soups or use as a seasoning for your favorite recipes.